Hey there, gearheads and casual cruisers. Jay Leno here, and let me tell you, I've seen it all when it comes to cars. From pristine classics to clunkers held together by duct tape and prayers, I've learned one thing. Car maintenance matters. Now, you might be thinking, Jay, isn't that a bit obvious? And yeah, you'd be right. But trust me, the number of times I've seen folks stranded on the side of the road, steam practically shooting out their ears, all because they skipped a simple oil change. Well, it's enough to make a comedian cry. Take it from a guy who once had a car spontaneously combust on the freeway. True story, folks. Proper maintenance isn't just about keeping your ride shiny. It's about safety, reliability, and avoiding those "oh crap, my car is making a funny noise" moments. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the wild world of car care, and trust me, it's a lot more entertaining than you might think. Let's face it, nobody enjoys spending their hard-earned cash on car repairs. We'd all rather be cruising down the highway, wind in our hair, or, air conditioning blasting, than shelling out hundreds for a new transmission. But here's the kicker. Neglecting your car's basic needs is like ignoring that weird noise in your attic. Sure, you can pretend it's not there, but eventually, that minor annoyance is going to turn into a full-blown, money-sucking monster. Think of it this way. Your car is a finely tuned machine. Well, most of the time, and just like any machine, it needs regular TLC to run smoothly. Skipping oil changes, ignoring tire pressure, pretending those squeaky brakes don't exist. These are all surefire ways to turn your beloved vehicle into a four-wheeled cash incinerator. So do yourself and your wallet a favor, embrace the power of preventative maintenance. Your bank account will thank you later. All right, folks, let's start with the basics. The almighty oil change. This, my friends, is the bread and butter of car maintenance, the foundation upon which a long and healthy automotive life is built. Think of your engine as your car's heart. Now, would you let your own heart pump sludgy, dirty blood? Of course not. That's essentially what happens when you neglect your oil changes. The oil gets all gunked up, loses its lubricating powers, and your engine starts working harder than a hamster on a wheel. So how often should you be treating your car to this liquid gold? Well, it varies depending on your car and driving habits. But a good rule of thumb is every 3,000 miles or so. And hey, while you're at it, why not get that oil filter changed too? It's like giving your engine a spa day. Section 4. Tire pressure. Because nobody enjoys a bumpy ride. Tire pressure is crucial. You might think it's basic, but many overlook it. Improperly inflated tires wear out faster and decrease fuel efficiency. It's like pushing a wobbly shopping cart. Overinflated tires lead to a bumpy ride and blowouts. Check your tire pressure regularly. Find the ideal PSI in your car's manual or door jamb. Proper tire pressure improves performance and driving experience. Section 5. Brake check. Stopping is just as important as going. Let's talk about brakes, those magical components that allow us to, not crash into things. Seems important, right? Yet brakes are often one of the most neglected parts of a car. Being able to stop safely is just as crucial as accelerating quickly. Ignoring squeaking, grinding, or needing extra effort to stop is like playing Russian roulette with your safety. So, how do you know when it's time for a brake check? Noises, unusual vibrations, or a brake warning light are red flags. Get thee to a mechanic pronto. Section 6. The Symphony of Maintenance. Keeping all systems go. We've covered the basics, but remember, car maintenance is like a symphony. All the parts need to work together in harmony to create a beautiful and safe driving experience. Don't forget about those other essential maintenance tasks. Regular fluid checks, coolant, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, air filter replacements, spark plug changes, and keeping your battery happy. And hey, while you're at it, give your car a good old-fashioned wash and wax every now and then. It'll make you feel better. And a clean car just runs happier. Trust me. Think of it this way. Spending a little time and money on regular maintenance is like investing in your peace of mind. It's about knowing that when you turn that key in the ignition, your car is going to start, run smoothly, and get you where you need to go without any drama. And really, isn't that what we all want from our four-wheeled companions? Section 7. Happy car, happy driver. The road to automotive bliss. So there you have it, folks. The not-so-secret formula for a long, happy, and relatively stress-free relationship with your car regular maintenance. It's not rocket science, but it's amazing how many people neglect these simple tasks until it's too late. Remember, your car is an extension of you. It's what gets you to work, takes you on adventures, and maybe even serves as a mobile karaoke booth on those long road trips. So treat it with the care and respect it deserves, and it'll reward you with miles of smiles and hopefully no surprise breakdowns. Now go forth and conquer the open road, my friends. And remember, keep those engines humming and those tires rolling. Catch you on the flip side.